today I need to, we're missing our steaming light. And so what I've done is I've come to where the old one was. I've located the old wires. I folded them over here, made as smooth a junction as I can with, this is some new wire that I had left over from another project. And now I'm going to pull that in, but it's pretty fun because you get to like, oh, let's run down here. And then you get to like run back. Oh boy, good times. Okay, now we stuff a little bit more in. Theoretically here, one of these tugs, it's probably just gonna start coming. Oh, that was almost the one. Going to replace the antenna on top of here, so I've taken off the cable. Finish unscrewing this off. And here is my brand new Shakespeare antenna. Pretty much the same setup. Really? Oh.
What are you doing, honey?
Putting the Windex on. So this is what tells us the direction of the wind. Whee! I'm spinning. It's the faster it spins. No, I'm just kidding. It's just directional, so it just points into the wind. But from underneath, that's what you can see. So you can see the white triangle and the red side, and then there's actually these two that also help to give you a reference for exactly what angle you're looking at. And then essentially that you would set this, if you really knew, you set this so that you know that you can't sail. This would be going directly into the wind. So you know that if you start to get inside these, you're getting too close to the wind and you need to go further out.
Okay, honey, tell me what you're doing now.
So we're putting the Windex on, and the issue is that this is the fore. This is the front of the boat. Will be this side. This is where it would be convenient to put it on. It's under one of these screws, but you can't see that when you're steering the boat. So we need to put it down here somewhere. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these bolts because they're already here. Drilled a couple of pilot holes, then I'll put the real ones, a couple of bigger holes here, and this will go out here, and then the Windex will sit this far back so that I can see it back here, and it's clear.
Brilliant idea.
Okay. Now I'll get the right tools, and then we will break free. I will pretend like I didn't just scream and yell at this thing for the last 10 minutes and do it all actually off camera, and then just pretend for the camera because it's so hot that I'm dying inside. My soul is a shriveled prune of anger. I hate the heat.
You love the heat? Is that what you said?
Rather work in hell. Oh, take that back. I am working in hell.
Honey.
That's fine. Alright, so we will
just so you can see the sacrifices I make for my loving husband, I am holding an umbrella over him so that he can work in the shade and not complain about being in this hellhole heat.
You know what you're supposed to do for your Lord and Lord. Yeah. Oh, that is way better though. I don't understand why everybody doesn't have like a shade structure that they come work under. Like,
I think Jerry's been telling us that the whole time.
Gary.
Gary, sorry, Gary. Okay, take two. That little umbrella did not work. So I have a huge umbrella.
Now, he's gave me the job to put some of this as lanolin, and he gave me a rag, and to put lanolin on these cables. So let's get some of this on this rag. And not putting a lot on, I'm just putting enough on and then essentially wiping it off. So
All down the cables.
I guess this is something that probably we should do. We should have just so cold. What would I do?
I'm freezing. Brr. I need to go find my winter boots.
Right?
What are you doing now?
So we are the nice people that are replacing our standing rigging. Gave us some metal polish. We are polishing our chain plates here while we have everything off. Chance to polish up the stainless where soon there will be a cable attached and we won't be able to get to it, so they
Good idea.
gave us some polish and sent us up here, and it's good. Idle hands and all that.